What information should be included in my billing address on Steam?
Hello, video viewers. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial step when purchasing games or items on Steam: setting up your billing address correctly. This might seem like a simple task, but it's important to get it right to avoid any payment issues. So, let's dive in and understand what information should be included in your billing address on Steam.
Why is the billing address important?
The billing address is required for various reasons, primarily for payment authorization and fraud prevention. When you input your billing address, it should match the address associated with your bank or credit card company. If the addresses don't match, it might lead to your purchase being declined.
What information is required for the billing address?
When filling out your billing address on Steam, you'll need to provide specific details. These include 1. Full name. This should match the name on your bank or credit card. 2. Address line 1. This is typically the street address where you receive your bank or credit card statements. 3. Address line 2. Optional. This is for any additional address information, like apartment number or building name. 4. City 5. State, province, region. Depending on where you live, this could be your state, province, or region. 6. Country 7. Zip postal code. Remember, your billing address is not necessarily the same as your shipping address if you ever order physical goods, but for Steam's digital purchases, we're talking about the address tied to your payment method.
Where to input the billing address on Steam?
To input your billing address on Steam, 1. Log in to your Steam account. 2. Go to the Account Details, Section 3. Look for the Update Store and Wallet Country, Option 4. Here, you can enter or update your billing address, ensure the information is accurate to avoid payment issues in the future. And there you have it, folks. That's how you fill in your billing address on Steam. Remember, ensuring the accuracy of your billing address is not just about making successful purchases on Steam, but also about safeguarding your account from potential fraud. We hope this guide was helpful and will make your Steam experience even smoother. Happy gaming!